Good morning, guys, from Good morning, guys, from sunny side of Seoul. I'm trying my best to, get more comfortable with my braces, and I've been doing a lot of pronunciation, practice when I'm alone at home. So I'm doing my best, you guys. Please don't write me in comments. So PAO invited me to their event today. A lot of Korean influencers and also a lot of Korean celebrities are invited to this event. So me and Diana, we're gonna go together, check the place out, show you guys what the event's all about, and also later on we're gonna chill. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get the video started. So Diana's opening her present. So I got Diana and Sunny Dahyesunny team. I got them one hair scrunchie each, and then the sumu, so cute. So which one are you gonna get?
I'm not sure. I think this one.
Oh yeah, itu lucu sih. So we're finally at Facial Fitness PAO event. Let me show you guys this particular device. It really helps to slim down your face. Look at this, you guys. It looks pretty cool. Should we try this out?
지금 거울 보시면은 얘가 일자로 되게 약간 감이 삐뚤어지신 분들이 있는데 소량이 되게 해서 가볍게 여기 쏙 들어가게 해주시면 잘 되시죠. 지금 조금 더 세게 한번 흔들어 보시면은 20cm 정도 이 정도 되는 게 제일 좋아요. 이렇게 해서 하루에 2번씩 30초씩 그러니까 아침에 30초, 저녁에 30초 넣어주시면.
So basically what the staff was saying, it helps to make your face slimmer. It really helps to burn the fat around the cheek area. So it's really cool. So basically you guys need to do this twice a day for 30 seconds. So definitely check it out. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And let's go inside. They gave us each facial fitness device. Diana got one, I got one. So I'll unbox it later when I get home. And now let's go in. There are before and after photos. Before using PAO device and after using PAO device. Oh my god. Wow. Before and after.
이소 씨의 결과도 기대되는데요. 한결 젊고 밝아진 표정이 눈에 띕니다.
안녕하십니까, 김상중입니다. 반갑습니다. 계속 잘 팔릴 거라고 생각하고요. 아무쪼록 여기 오신 모든 분들 복들 많이 받으시길 바라겠습니다. 끝으로 이동열 대표님께 한 말씀 드리자면 페이셜 피트니스 파워 많이 파워.
주변의 주름 같은 경우에는 입 둘레근이라는 것이 강화되면 주름 개선에 효과가 있다는 학자들이 있습니다. 우리가 이 턱의 라인이 윤곽이 뚜렷하거나 턱이 처지는 현상을 개선하기 위해서 우리가 성대 위쪽에 있는 목불뼈라는 뼈 위에 붙어있는 목불 미근이 강화되면 개선된다라는 정보도 있었습니다.
캠핑하고 싶지? 아, 믿겨지지? 학설제도 실렸다니까. 누구야? 갸르가진 것 같은데. Facial Fitness PAO.
직장을 관두고 일단 체력을 키워야겠다고 생각해서 운동을 되게 여러 가지를 하고 있는데
이정 씨의 결과도 기대되는데요.
Now we're gonna eat, guys. I'm here with Casper. She's coming over.
I finally get to see Kamja.
We're gonna have like a girls' night. Just stay at home.
And finally get to see Kamja. I can't, like, 언니 보러 가는 거 아니야. I'm going to see her dog.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah. We're having a food coma, you guys. So we'll see you later.
Yeah, we're losing concentration.
Yeah, it's like we're done with our dinner, and now we're gonna go. But before that, I want to show you guys something. Wow, this is really cool, guys. It's a face lifting device. Ah, ooh. Oh my god, it vibrates. 이거 손줘봐. 이거만 터치하면 진동돼.
오, 이건 리프팅이 되는구나.
I'm finally back home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from PAO. There you go. Okay. Oh, so there were two colors, if I'm not mistaken. They have the black one and the white one. I'm really hoping I'll get the white one, so let's see. Yes! I got the white one! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, you guys, I got the white one. I really wanted the white one because Diana got the black one, and I was like, oh, I want something more girly and something more like pinky. Finally got this. Yes! So you basically need to do this for 2 times a day, 30 seconds each session. If you guys could do it 30 seconds each session, that's good enough. So twice a day, 30 seconds each. I'm just gonna practice now and I'll see you guys in a bit. Today has been really fun. I'm still struggling trying to talk clearly. It's so hard, especially when you have braces inside than outside. But yeah, guys, please bear with me for 2 months and then I'll get this off. I'll be able to talk more like clearly. And thank you, PAO, for, you know, inviting me to your event. It's been really fun. And you know, honestly, I've never thought Korean like companies or brand actually notice my channel, because my channel is always very global. And yeah, it's kind of interesting that they actually notice my channel. I still don't think I'm big, you guys, but I feel included. I feel included, and I met Casper today, so that was really fun. Yeah, it's been really nice. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys soon.